In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to art circle Replit 2025, step by step. We're going to make generative circle art quickly using Replit's AI agent so you can get impressive results without writing the code yourself. I'll walk you through opening Replit, starting the agent, giving it a strong prompt, and refining the result until it looks just right. First, open your browser and go to replit.com, then log in. If you're new to Replit, the sign up is quick, and once you're in, I recommend working on a desktop or laptop for the best experience. Make sure you have a stable connection so the agent can generate code smoothly. Next, start with the agent. Look for the plus button labeled Create REPL, then choose Create with Replit Agent. The interface will open a chat panel on one side and an editor on the other. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry, Replit updates often, but the option to create with the agent will be visible. This method is the fastest because the agent scaffolds the project and writes code for you. Now prompt the AI with a clear, descriptive command. For example, you can say, create a generative art piece with overlapping colorful circles that rotate and change size over time using Python Turtle. Be specific about what you want. Mention the language and library, Python with Turtle. Describe the behavior, like rotation, resizing, and animation, and include the visual feel, such as black background, bright pastel palette, or thin outlines. The more details you provide, the closer the first result will be to your vision. Once the agent generates the project, refine it through the chat. Ask to adjust color palettes, speed, and complexity. If the animation is slow, ask the agent to use turtle.tracer 0 and updates for smoother frames. If things feel too busy, request fewer circles or slower growth and rotation. If you want sharper lines, increase the pen size. If you want softer motion, use smaller angle increments. You can also ask the agent to comment the code, rename variables for clarity, or expose key parameters like number of circles, radius range, and rotation speed at the top so you can tweak them easily. If your device lags, ask for performance-friendly changes such as limiting redraws, reducing circle count, or simplifying color calculations. And if you want an easy way to close the window, request an exit on click or a keybind to stop the loop gracefully. That's it. Open Replit, start the agent, give a strong prompt, and then refine through chat until your circle art matches your style. Have fun experimenting and enjoy watching your generative circles come to life.